Hello students, welcome back to science class. Students, in the continuity of the previous lecture, today we are going to discuss another important topic of the carbon compounds, that is some important carbon compounds. You know all the carbon compounds are valuable, but in your syllabus there are only two carbon compounds which we have to discuss. One is ethanol and second is ethanoic acid. In this class, we will discuss some main properties of the ethanol. Now students, what is ethanol? As we discussed in the alkanes have the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Like this is methane, this is ethane, this is propane. Right students? When we add one functional group OH to it by replacing one hydrogen, we get C2H5OH or C3H7OH and so on. So this is known as the ethanol. When in ethane, OH group is added in place of one hydrogen. So this is known as the ethanol. Its formula is C2H5OH and we can also draw its structure. Here we will add OH. So this is all about the ethanol. Right students? Its molecular formula and structure formula. When we add an OH group in place of one hydrogen in alkanes, it is known as the ol. It is methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Today we are going to discuss about the ethanol. Ethanol is, students, liquid at room temperature, right? It is generally called as alcohol. It is commonly known as alcohol. It is the prominent feature or main ingredient of all the alcoholic drinks. Right students? In all the alcoholic drinks, which is the main feature, which is the main component? That is the alcohol or ethanol. It is a very good solvent, so it is also used in, so that's the reason it is also used in medicines. So it is also used in medicines like tincture, iodine, or in all the cough syrups. Right students? It is soluble in water in any proportion. Ethanol is also soluble in water at any proportion, in any proportion. Small amount of intake of ethanol causes drunkenness. Right students? If you are taking small amounts, you will be in a habit to take more of the ethanol because it is actually an alcohol, which is known as alcohol. It is a very good solvent, liquid at room temperature. It is also used in the medicines. Now we will see about its chemical properties. First is reaction with sodium. The reaction of ethanol with sodium. If we add sodium, now what we will get? We can write here 2. We will get the sodium etho oxide. Sodium etho oxide. This is the sodium etho oxide. And what is produced here? Hydrogen gas will be produced. When we react the ethanol with sodium, we get sodium etho oxide and we will get hydrogen gas. Right students? Now second is the reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbons. The reaction to give unsaturated hydrocarbons, we will see here. This is a saturated hydrocarbon. Why students this is a saturated hydrocarbon? Because it contains a single bond, right? And unsaturated hydrocarbons contains double or triple bond. When at a very high temperature and in the presence of very concentrated sulfuric acid. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at the temperature temperature 443 Kelvin. Right students, what will happen? The water will be removed from this ethanol and ethene will be produced. What we will get? Ethene. We will get ethene and water will be removed from the ethanol. So concentrated sulfuric acid is also known as dehydrating agent in this reaction. So what we did, when we at the temperature of 443 Kelvin, the ethanol is get reacted with concentrated sulfuric acid. It will be converted into unsaturated hydrocarbon, which is ethene. Ethene is unsaturated hydrocarbon because it contains double bond and water is produced. In this reaction, concentrated sulfuric acid removes water from the ethanol. So it is also known as the dehydrating agent. So this was all about the properties of the ethanol. The long use of alcohol, as you know, is very harmful for the human beings because there is a lack of control. Mind setup is also disturbed, lack of memory, lack of movements, drowsiness. There are many side effects, many health problems are produced due to the regular intake of the alcohol. But in some countries, alcohol is used with petrol. It is adding into the petrol to use as a clean fuel, because when alcohol is burned in the excess of oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. So alcohol is also used as a fuel in some countries in addition with the petrol, because it is a very clean fuel. On burning in the presence of the oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water. But there should not be regular intake of alcohol by human beings because it has many side effects. So these were all the properties of the ethanols, and these were the two reactions with sodium and with concentrated sulfuric acid. With sodium, it produces sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is produced. But with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin, what is produced? This saturated hydrocarbon is get converted into unsaturated hydrocarbon and water is removed from the ethanol. So students, this was about the properties of the ethanol. The properties of ethanoic acid we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.